Programming shouldn't be boring. Let's play with the Codingame's puzzle today. Hi, let's play and solve a puzzle titled Shadows of the Night by Codingame. I'm Anatol and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. If this is your first time here and you wanna learn front-end and JavaScript, start now by subscribing and don't forget to turn on the subtitles. The story tells: we love Batman's adventure. The Joker, bombs, hostages and the hero, but this time it is you who are the hero. Your job is to find the bombs before they explode. Don't worry, Alfred's got you covered. He's handed you a hit detector set to recognize the thermal signature of the Joker's bomb. Easy? Let's find out. This puzzle explains multidimensional array and binary search to you. To win this game, you need to guess the coordinate of a bomb, line and column of a two-dimensional array. You have a limited number of guesses. To solve this puzzle, I need to implement a binary search algorithm. I mentioned about that earlier in this video. Check the link in the description. Let's apply the destructuring. Destructuring assignment is a special syntax that allows us to unpack array or object into a bunch of variables. I use string includes method. This method determines whether one string may be found within another string, returning true or false as appropriate. Check the following syntax. Let's dive into the code. Read a building's width and height, maximum number of moves in the game and Batman's position. Set an initial value for binary search algorithm. Read a bomb direction in comparison to a Batman's position. And add a new search criteria according to new limitations. Set a new hero's location. Print a new Batman's position. Run the tests. Fix one typo and run all the tests again. Yep, they all are green. That's pretty easy, isn't it? Next time let's have a look at convey sequence, compressing and lists in JavaScript. My code is available on GitHub, documentation is available in the internet. Follow the links if you're eager to get more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.